Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can change Instagram direct message to Messenger. So before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Play Store and you need to search for the Instagram application here and you need to update your Instagram. As you can see, my Instagram is up to date. Then you simply need to go back and open your smartphone settings and go into the app management and click on app list, and here you need to search for the Instagram. So let me search for Instagram here. Okay, click on Instagram and you simply need to click on storage and cache, and first step you simply need to clear cache, and after that you need to clear storage, and then you need to allow all permissions from here by clicking that and click on allow. Okay, once you done that, you simply need to go back and you simply need to log in into your Instagram account. So once you log in, so let me show you. Now I have Instagram Messenger option. So here you can see that. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.